are home. It is already 4:26 and I'm not hungry, but I'm going to make a cup of coffee. Yeah, that is going to be the second coffee for today, and that will be the last also, because tomorrow I will be working at 5:30 in the morning. It's already 7, almost 7:30. I already finished watching the news. I am now preparing this meal, this mungo beans with yeah, just onion and garlic, because I don't have anything. Oh, I still have some pork crackling. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, you really notice the color. Also the hand. Oh, yesterday I missed to meet some people, a family. Yeah, I met them before 2 times already, and yesterday is supposed to be the third time. And because I missed to meet them, I would like to say hi to Mrs. Julieta Armosilla. Kumusta po? Sorry for not meeting you yesterday. Maybe someday in the future. Also, there is another a couple this morning, this afternoon. I am supposed to meet them, but the same, I didn't see their message. So we are going to meet tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Today I finished at 2:15 and it was very busy. 210 we did today. For the lunch, it was continuous order is coming, both from the room service and from the swimming pool. And yeah, I'm not going to do my usual exercise, pull-ups and chin-up, because I was tired. And also there is a couple that is waiting for me in the Chinese restaurant. They sent me a message yesterday, but it was already late when I see it. And then yeah, we had a chat and decided to meet today. Now here in the town center, and yeah, I mentioned to you before that they're going to take out, remove that ATM machine. They are doing it now.
Thank you, Kuya Robby. Minute mo kami. Salamat. More power sa iyo, ha? God bless. We will follow you and watch your videos.
Thank you. Yo, we are home. Yeah. Yo, I just wake up. It's already 6:18. Just now we're going to see what is inside here. Okay, first thing, yeah, they gave me these prawn crackers. And this is Cadbury Fun Games. Oh, mask. They gave me this mask. And you know, these days I am seeing many people in the grocery that is wearing masks, because if I am not mistaken, in Sydney, in the city, most of the indoor establishment like a grocery, a shopping mall, they are requiring the people to wear a mask these days. And t-shirt. They also gave me this t-shirt. Connor, this is one of the brand here in Australia. Everywhere there's a shop of this Connor. Yeah, this one looks formal, like going to the church. And this, I don't know what is this. Oh, this is also, it is a face mask. You know, when I first see something like this in the in the news, or in the news, I was thinking of this as a face mask, good when you are on the bike, so you don't feel the wind against you. Oh, this one, look at this chocolate, peanut milk chocolate. Yeah, product of the Philippines. This is how it is. Maybe mug, maybe cup, maybe, I don't know. Okay, open. Yeah, it is mug. Yeah, the same like the one that Roy gave me. Yeah, this one is coming from Cassie and Roy. Yeah, and I'm now using this. I feel like the luckiest person in the world when I'm riding my bike. It is written in there. And I'm also now wearing this. Yeah, nice. Yeah, thank you Owen and thank you Lisel. And we are going to the town center to get some cars for the house run. Yeah, as you can see in there, the water is very far from the side. Yeah, it's like a big playground. And you can see the color green, they are like a Bermuda grass. Amazing. I will be the one to hold you in my arms. There's no water on the islands in the middle. A shallow water, shallow area in the islands. Oh, it's unbelievable. There's no so much people on the beach in there. Why? Yeah, maybe people are back to work. Yeah, it's unbelievable. There's no so much people here this time. They are maybe doing some improvements because they put a barrier, not allowed to get in. Also in here, not busy. The water park is closed this time. You can see, I will show you. Yeah, it's closed. And this is the one that I am telling you that there's no one in the beach. Yeah, not even a single person. Maybe there is also a barrier. Oh yeah, the beach is actually closed today. So if you can see that, it says beach closed. Why? Yeah, so it's closed because there is warning that there is a possibility of sewage overflow. Yeah, that is what is written in there. Okay, that's it. We go now. I was about to go to the grocery, but I remember that I have some food left over from yesterday when we eat in that Chinese restaurant. I have so much food in here because Lisel and Owen, they ordered so many food yesterday, and all the leftover they gave to me. Yeah, and this is what I'm going to eat now. Not all of them, but yeah, some of this. And this is what I'm going to eat.